Well, hello and welcome to my not quite ready for prime time background that I'm working on and using. But in the meantime, today we're going to look at an app called scrcpy, and I'll show you a lot more detail about it. It's what I use now to show my Android phone. I have a Google Pixel 9 to show that phone on my computer screen so I could show it to you when I'm looking at apps and items like that. Screen copy is free, so if you just follow along with me, if it's something that you may want to use, then I hope you like it. Okay, let me get you guys started here. This happens to be my home screen on my Pixel 9, and I'm using screen copy actually right now to show this to you. And a couple of things here. So I'm going to use my mouse also on my desktop computer to do this. So I'm actually not even touching my Pixel 9. So I click that. So in my case, I had to go to System Settings because I use Microsoft Launcher, and it's a little bit different. So I had to click and then click a second time, where you might be able to go right to System Settings. Once you're on System Settings, find About My Phone, which is located in the lower part right here. I'll click that, and after I click About Phone, I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom. See this build number? Now I am already set up, but what you'll do is you're going to just tap this 7 times. And as you can see, it's telling me I don't need to. After you tap it 7 times, you'll get a pop-up, and you just have to tap Settings, System, Developer Options. And after you tap Developer Options, all you need to do is enable USB debugging. You're really close now, guys. Let's do our next steps. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to GitHub, and here's the address here, which is github.com/jennymobile/scrappy. I'll put this in the description to help you. So once you do that, you're just going to download the app. It's going to be a zip file. So extract the zip file and then run the execute file. That's all you have to do. You just have to come here. You just have to download screen copy, extract it, and run it. Nothing else. By the way, obviously I'm using a Windows computer. Well, now that I've downloaded the app and I have it on my computer, I'm going to launch screen copy. All right, you're just about ready now. So the next thing to do is you're going to actually have to plug your phone in using USB-C to the computer. So you plug it in, and you'll probably or might get a pop-up to allow debugging, and of course allow it. In my case, I think I only had to do it once. On your computer, launch the screen copy app that you just downloaded from GitHub. And after you do that, you're there. And again, I'll show you what I mean by you're there. Well, here I am on the screen copy on my computer. So this is my home screen. A couple things that might help you is that you can again maneuver. It's a little bit different on a couple of the directions with the mouse, but you can maneuver, and of course you could also use your fingers to move it. But anyway, I am using my mouse, and I'm going left and right with it, and I'm using the scroll wheel on the mouse to go left and right, and then it goes up and down and back across. So actually I'm able to do just about everything I really want to do right here. Perhaps I want to go to Copilot and ask a question. I can do that right there, and then I could just swipe, and then I could just swipe and kind of go back to wherever I want to go to. So if you notice, I go off screen here, so I can go from right to left. So I'm going to go here to glance So this is the glance. Then I can go all the way over here to the right and scroll that way, and it moves me right back to my home page. I can move from right to left on my home page if I want. I can go like that and lift from the bottom to top to get all my apps. So I'm running everything from here. So if I want to send for some reason emails or do Excel spreadsheets, whatever I want to do, I could do it right here from my computer on my phone. Well, I hope you like this short video showing you how to use screen copy. I really like it. It's very helpful, especially when I do YouTube videos. But in some other cases, I've done other work on it, and I find it really helpful, interesting, and simple. Enjoy, guys.